Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm sharing a wonderful recipe to make a classic marble cake. A marble cake is basically a cake with vanilla and chocolate mixed together, and it makes this beautiful swirl. It's super moist, super tasty, and the recipe is super easy. So let's get started. First off, we'll grease our loaf tin with some butter or oil, anything you like, and align a parchment paper. Now to prepare the cake batter, in a mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs, add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and whisk it until the sugar is dissolved. You want the eggs to become double in volume, fluffy and have a whitish color. This is an important step to make the cake moist. Add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and mix it into the batter. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla essence and half a cup of milk. I'm adding the milk in 2 batches so that I can adjust the consistency of the batter if need be. In a sifter, add 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sift the dry ingredients. Don't skip this step. Mix the ingredients to form a lump-free, smooth batter. Add the remaining milk and mix well. Different flour absorbs liquid differently, so adjust the quantity of liquids accordingly. This is the consistency and the texture of the cake batter we are looking for. So the cake batter is ready. Divide it into 2 equal portions. In one batter, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can replace the cocoa powder with some melted dark chocolate for some extra chocolatey marble cake. But I'm keeping it simple here, so I'm adding cocoa powder. Add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix well. So the cake batter is ready. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of each batter into the mold. To be honest, this will take some time. You can also layer 1/4 cup of batter each time to finish it off quickly. Till the time I'm doing this, I've set my microwave to preheat at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. You can bake the cake as it is. It looks beautiful, but I'm gonna use a skewer to create a pattern. Just draw a straight line from each side to create this beautiful pattern and wipe off the batter from the skewer each time you do so. You could also simply use a spoon and create random swirls into the batter. Bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. It's like the classic pound cake and will have a nice crack in the center. It'll be a little caramelized on the edges. So the cake is out from the oven. It's baked beautifully. It is cracked up in the center and is caramelized from the edges just the way I like it. It's not like a layer cake where it'll be perfectly light colored and very soft on the sides. You want a little bit of a crunch on the very edge. Demold the cake after it's come to room temperature. Let's cut a piece to see how it looks from the inside. The cake is baked beautifully from the inside as well. It just has the perfect crumb and it's kind of like really substantial, perfectly sweet and just like the kind of crisp on the outside on the caramelized edges and super soft on the inside. I like my cake to be warm to have it with a hot cup of milk, or you can also have it cold, totally depends upon your preference. Alright, if you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.